Okay, under the wings 83, Margot Frank. I've begun the dot drawing. Using a very fine point here. So that's that section. The left cheek on the viewer's right. Okay, 3 minutes. Take a look at that album cover. I remember hearing, probably on the radio, Harry Shaven in the early 70s after I moved to Illinois. This album was copyright 1972, Elektra Records, Warner Communications, New York City. And ironically to me, it wasn't until decades later I hadn't heard when he had passed on. He had some kind of car accident on the Long Island Expressway in Long Island, like Nassau County or somewhere in New York. How are we doing, buddies? Kind of quiet today. Anybody take a bath? I gave you your summer bathing order. Take a swim. Oh, I think you guys are ready to nap. Well, it's 2:15. 3 p.m. is traditional nap time for birds worldwide. Okay, that's it for now. To be continued here.